Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick but incredibly helpful technique in Figma, how to change the line height of your text. Adjusting line height is a simple tweak, but it can totally transform the readability and overall look of your designs. So whether you're a beginner just getting started or you're looking to polish up your Figma skills, you'll walk away from this video knowing exactly how and why to adjust line height with confidence. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open up Figma and hop into the project where you want to adjust your text. If you don't already have some text to work with, just grab the text tool and type out a sample sentence or two, something you can easily see changes on as we go. The idea here is that having your own example will really help you notice the effect line height has on your design. Once you've got your sample text ready, give it a click to select it. You should see the familiar text bounding box with little blue handles appear around your text. Don't rush this part, it's super important you're actually selecting the text and not the entire frame or another object. You'll know you've done it right if you can see the text properties showing up on the right-hand side of your Figma workspace. Now, direct your attention down to the bottom right corner of those text properties. You're looking for the section labeled Line Height. Sometimes it might just say Auto, or there might be a number already filled in. This controls the vertical spacing between lines of your text, which is key for improving both readability and the overall style of your work. Think of line height like the air between pancakes in a stack. The more space, the easier it is to see where one begins and the next ends. Here comes the fun part. You'll notice a big A icon right next to the line height value. Go ahead and hover your mouse over that big A when your cursor changes, click and hold down. Now if you drag your mouse to the right, you'll see your line height increase. Watch as the lines of text gently separate from each other. Drag to the left and the lines get closer together, making the text feel tighter and more compact. Sometimes it can take a moment to see a dramatic change, especially if you only have a short single line of text, so feel free to adjust the text box to include a few lines for the full effect. Let me show you what I mean. If your sample text is all on one line, try breaking it up into a few shorter sentences or phrases stacked on top of each other. That way, when you play with the line height, the difference will really pop out at you. Don't worry if your text looks weird at first, that's actually a good sign you're seeing how line height works. It's normal to need a couple tries to get it feeling just right. Sometimes a subtle tweak makes the difference between overcrowded and comfortably readable text, and honestly, that's all there is to it. Once you like how your line height looks, you're good to go. Remember, changing the line height isn't just about aesthetics, it really affects how easy your text is to read, especially in longer paragraphs. Give yourself a moment to experiment and notice how the mood of your design changes as you try different settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's another Figma skill you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.